Okay guys, this is my day number 24. Dharamsala to Puri now via Calcutta, and I've crossed Calcutta. I am entering Puri. This is Mahip's beach at the south end of Puri. I'm going to try to find some parking spot over here, which could be a permanent spot for me for a few days. You can see the ocean there, that's the Bay of Bengal. So I am going to stop right here, and I think this is where I'm going to spend my night too. So, and it was a long drive. I've been driving for 7 hours today. Oh, let's get off here. Just reaching Puri in Odisha. There you go. And I am super tired. Haven't stopped in the last 7 hours. See that? It was a really hot day today, and I had the AC running all day long. As soon as I just came out of my camper, my glasses fogged up. But yeah, this is a good feeling to be back at a beach after so much time. So I am going to just walk down here for a few minutes before I turn off my camper and take in the view and the smell of the ocean. Oh yeah, that smells so good. That does smell good. So yeah, I think I'm going to stop over here for the night. This is going to be my spot, and somewhere around here. The market is further down. This is the south end of the city, and the market and everything, the whole city is way up on that side. So I'll wait for the traffic to come down a little bit, and then maybe drive around, see what's around here, where the shops are, where I can buy stuff. But yeah, I'm in Puri, and I've extended my trip. It was initially supposed to be Calcutta, but I did have some more time, so I thought I might just go ahead before I go back to Canada. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to say was that the highways in Odisha are excellent. They were like the best highways I've ever seen in India. I mean, no bumps, no jumps, no potholes, nothing.